Just open a blank document. And you can definitely use any sketching medium that you like. You can sketch on Procreate on your iPad, you can sketch the Sketchbook, Autodesk Sketchbook program, or also app on your tablet. So you can just sketch on anything. And of course you can sketch on a paper with a pencil. So as you can see here, I just put my rough sketch for Emma. The first thing you'd like to do is to start roughly to make some simple shapes, simple proportions for the body, and just to block your masses, the head, the body, the arms, and the legs. So you have an idea for what exactly you would like to do here with your illustration. So as you can see here, Emma is a nature saver, so she likes nature and likes everything about it. She spends a lot of time in the nature with some birds and animals, and so that I wanted to add some elements that would reflect that. That's why I made a nest with two little birds inside. And I also wanted to add some branches coming out of her hair, like a nature crown or something, just to add to the concept I had in mind. So if you have watched my previous classes, you will totally understand the fact that in my characters, before I start them, I kind of make something like a mood board of what I want my illustration to be and what I wanted to convey and reflect, and what are the feelings that I wanted to express. And in this illustration, Emma is all about nature, and that she's all about anything related to saving the animals and saving the nature. Now, after I finished my rough sketch, I created a new layer above that. Took the opacity a little bit down for the first layer, and now I'm refining my lines to make it clearer, so that in the next step in the vector lines in Adobe Illustrator, everything will be just clear. It's really good in this step to add as much details as you want and to start thinking a lot about your concept and what you would like to add and make, so that in the next step you just don't leave anything for the guesswork and you get to decide everything here in the sketching part. Alright. So we just keep going here and there to continue refining the body parts. I believe this part needs a little bit of modification. So for now, let's leave this like that. I'll come back to it later in the vector part. And now let's refine this cute little nest. And add some details to her hair, some branches and leaves. Alright, and here is the huge rock that she's sitting on. That just adds to my concept and how she's blended in this scene into nature. Alright, and the head branches. And add some details. All that will help. Alright, just like that. And maybe a cute little worm coming out of this branch. And that's all for this lesson, and see you in the next lesson.